So Highburst sent me this pack of hydration drink mix sticks. They're individually wrapped. You're getting 3 flavors in here. That's what the package looks like. So they're giving you 5 of the tangerine, 5 of the lemon lime, and 5 of the blue raspberry. We're gonna go with blue raspberry, and really what I wanted to show you really is mixability and taste. 2 of the things I think are probably the most important for everybody. And so they do tear pretty easy. Got to put a little bit of juice into it there. And we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, 16 ounces of water. I want to just see how easy this mixes. And so you can see it is a little clumpy, all right when you put it in there. And I mixed this before, and you kind of got to just stick with it for a minute, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead and just mix it. All right, there we go. So the clumps were in there initially, but just, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. And look, it's smooth. All the clumps are out of it, okay? So there's no issues there. If you've ever had like a blue raspberry snow cone, gets your mouth watering. It's like very tart. It's got a tart, almost like a candy taste to it. Pleasantly surprised there. I'm kind of like, I feel like I'm drinking like a sugary drink, but there's actually, I don't think any sugar in here. So I think you're getting like 30 calories per stick, which is next to nothing. But they're also putting in here D3 and K2. Now, I take D3 and K2 in a pill form, but now they're putting it in here so I can get it with my electrolyte drink once per day. And I think that's a great benefit. And yeah, they're giving you all the electrolytes, the D3, the K2. So definitely pick these up if you want to stay hydrated. Cheers. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.